you're excited about the mountains, I'm excited about my Alumiduty.
Are we here yet?
Yeah,
Really?
see the Ford sign right there.
No way.
Yeah. Oh, you can't see.
Oh, I did saw it. I saw it.
The Alumiduty is done.
Should probably tell the story about this. Why do we have to come all the way here?
So once upon a time, Gabe said, let's go to Daytona. I said, yes, I'd love to go to Daytona. Got an old Alumiduty and hooked up to the trailer, put his big ass Cardi B truck on there. Off to Daytona Beach we went. We get about an hour and a half away from Daytona Beach. The Alumiduty said kaboom. I didn't know what happened. All I know is that it told a lot of knock-knock jokes. None of them were funny. It has a new crate engine in it now. Oh, we gotta turn in here. It dropped the number 2 and the number 5 connecting rod. It came apart. How does that happen? I don't know. I'll tell you why, actually. What? Holy shit, they're redoing it. They must have paid for, they're getting all the money from me. Redoing their whole parking lot.
Oh, nice.
Off of my fucking engine swap. Anyways, come to find out that that engine was built on either a Friday or a Monday. That's when it was built at the factory. Friday or a Monday. Friday when they just wanted to get the fuck off work, and Monday when they didn't want to be there. Because there's no reason why that should have come apart at 59,000 miles. We're here.
$22,000 later. Your truck's sitting over there.
Yeah, it's in the gate. The cage is
oh
ready
boy.
to get unleashed.
Oh my god. Let's not blow it up this time.
It wasn't our fault. It was Ford's fault. Fucking Ford.
Found on road dead.
First on race day. Wanna get gapped? Well, let's go sign some paperwork and get my truck back. So now I'm gonna go back to the house, grab my tune and delete, and retune and re-delete it. So the engine has, you know, pretty much 0 miles. But I think it's a sign because I left the dealership, went to the car wash, I pulled into the car wash and it said the check engine light come on. And so I was like, well fuck, this isn't good. We've only gotten like 3 minutes into our road trip. And I went back to the dealership, got it figured out, and it come up as a knock sensor on the exhaust. So I think that's a sign to tune and delete 5-inch exhaust at the house. Might as well use it, all right? Wait, if I do the remote start, I gotta lock it. Not phased at all. Nope, she wasn't phased. My mom, she got scared. She got scared again. Look, she's running. All right. Had to make sure it was locked.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
You did not need another truck.
She's cold.
Yeah, don't do that.
You did not need another truck. Holy shit, dude.
Can't get in there?
No. I'm not even gonna try.
No.
Especially not with this one right here.
So this King Ranch or that King Ranch?
This one.
This already?
No. Because we are who we are. We can't just leave things alone for more than like 10 hours. So we get home at 2 in the morning, go to sleep for 2 hours, wake up and we're like, let's just straight pipe another truck again. The second one this week.
This is the second time I'm getting done.
Well, I hope it would be faster the second time because we've already done this.
Oh, wait. The exhaust. It's in one piece, though. So all we have to do is just slide it in.
Holy shit.
It's in one piece.
Well, ain't that mighty convenient? I watched a movie one time. It was called like 27 Days or some shit. Guy got stuck in a rock. That's what I feel like right now. And CJ doesn't even care. I'm at 40%. He's tuning his truck. I'm literally getting crushed by an exhaust. This thing is heavy. So, well, I'll just lay here and die. I hate you.
6.7's finally tuned. Now I just gotta put the exhaust on. What the hell?
It's not your truck anymore, sir. It's actually mine. I stole it. There's nothing you can do about it. Holy cow. Activities.
A lot of them for activities. I took the V10 out again. V12.
So now it's only a
V24.
It was a V18 before, now it's just a V8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
What?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. I don't know. I drew a blank. Why
We're
does that look
experts.
cut? Did we cut that?
I didn't cut that.
I need intercooling piping, intake. I need the good stuff because this needs to go next.
Facts.
I actually lit that on fire. If you look, you see the burn marks and it's like burned.
Oh my god, you guys.
This whole
Oh, I forgot
section,
you literally lit your truck on fire.
this whole it was right here.
Yeah.
This whole section that's like it was all inflamed. Oh, it was bad.
Because
You broke a bolt. We didn't break the bolt this time.
Good job.
Probably
because I didn't touch it.
Because you didn't touch it.
Yep.
CJ was doing it.
Yep.
This hole was fucking inflamed. I thought my whole harness was gonna get destroyed. Luckily, it didn't. I just grabbed rags that were on fire and threw them out with my bare hand. And my Fummins was sitting right here. I grabbed a fucking flaming rag, threw it over my shoulder, and it landed on the Fummins. And I was like, ah! This thing's still on fire, but I loved it more. So I went over to the Fummins, took the rag off. Oh yeah, it was a shit show. So since Gabe's driving this one home, now I'm gonna drive my big truck. I only installed the 150 horsepower tune for the sake of Gabe and for the sake of my truck.
I also
and
have
for the
Easy
sake
Link.
of my bank account.
I have Easy Link installed on my phone.
I don't care. I will put a lock on it. I'm gonna call Easy Link today and figure out how to install a
Well,
lock.
that's what I'm doing on the way home, trying to get inside of your Easy Link. See me swerving. I'm not editing a video. I'm trying to get inside of your Easy Link.
I hate you. Whoopsie daisy. This is the 4-inch side. That's the 5-inch side. Why couldn't they just been like Dodge and make it all 5-inch?
Because Dodge is cool and Ford sucks.
Last time I remember when I tuned and deleted this thing, I had no problems doing a burnout. Somebody's 5th gen has problems doing burnouts. I'm just saying that Ford might have it down on the tune and delete and horsepower thingy. Stop calling your dad. I don't want to hear your dad talk.
It's not my dad this time.
Oh.
Hello? Hey, you guys still got that F450? Yeah, with the air ride and the 4G autos? Yeah, I'm in Missouri right now. I'm gonna grab it on the way home. Yep. All right, see you then.
Bro, I see you're on your editing app. You're on iMovie, bro. He's so sad.
Now I'm actually typing the dealership's number.
Oh, anyways, we're just gonna throw this exhaust in, so we might give you some highlights of it.
You sound like a vlogger.
Today, guys, we're gonna be throwing this 5-inch straight pipe on CJ's 2019 King Ranch. It's black, it has black wheels, and it has air ride, and it's a 6.7, and I'm black, and he's white, and we're doing it, and you're gonna watch it uncut. We're not cutting anything because we're normal YouTubers now.
No, fuck that. I'm cutting it.
Yeah, you're probably cutting it.
I can't do that.
Yeah, me neither. It makes me want to throw up.
Can we stop talking and just put the fucking exhaust in? Hey, no. Okay.
Raggedy bitch.
She's back! We're gonna check for leaks. Unlike Gabe, I do check for leaks. Sweet!
What the hell is this thing?
This is my Fummins.
Your Fummins.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, I just, you know, it just has a little bit of different characteristics to it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You guys ever seen the engine?
Of this Fummins? No, I have not. That's not. Whoa.
It's not a 12 valve.
That's not a 12 valve.
No, that's an 0967.
How?
It happened.
It happened.
It just happened.
Well, I've never seen that before.
I know, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yes.
Well, this truck is actually stupid clean. It's not my truck. It's not my Fummins. It's a buddy of mine. And I hate to say it, but I think it's cleaner than my OBS.
Huh.
Like, I don't need a tetanus shot. You know what I mean?
Holy cow.
Stupid.
It's brand new under there.
It is brand new. Even the interior, super clean. It's not like as clean as my interior, because I have Super Duty seats.
Yeah.
But it is stupid clean. I'd get rid of the carpet. Carpet's meh.
Yeah.
Carpet's meh. You guys want to hear it? That right there, if you were to hear me going by, you'd be like, oh, that's a fucking Cummins. White blur, because I'm going 120 miles an hour. Holy shit, that was an OBS. And I'd be like, hi, coming to pick up your daughter. What's up, boy? Let me be honest here. A lot of girls love Dodges, Cummins. They don't even like Dodges, they like Cummins. That's all they care about, is a Cummins. They love the sound, makes their panties drop, cool, right? What they really like body style wise, is a Ford.
Facts.
So a Ford with a Cummins, everybody's single but the guy driving it.
We already have this thing sold.
Yeah, Josh is buying it. It's already sold. It's gonna go up to Illinois.
Yes.
It's gonna get a whole frame off. It's not gonna be white anymore, which is I'm glad because my truck's white. So I'm kind of glad that it's not gonna be white anymore. A big lift, everything. I'm excited to see it. I'm glad that it's going to somebody that's gonna build it. That I can see the truck later on. So.
And buy it.
And buy it.
I'm glad. Yeah, I'm
later.
glad I'll be able to own this truck one day. Thing is sick. I don't think the camera does it justice, but this is literally the cleanest OBS I've ever seen. Aside from Hollywood Mike, I think this shit's on Hollywood Mike's truck.
Hollywood Mike always has to come into my fucking OBS world, and I'm sick of it. Me and Hollywood Mike, we're good friends. We're friends, you know? And I just hate it when he gets brought up, because he does have a really nice fucking truck. And I'm gonna come for him. It's still coming.
And apparently this one is too.
This one is too.
Yeah.
It's raining over there, but it's not raining right here.
It's raining right here.
No, look at the windshield.
What in the actual fuck? what in the wizard fuck is going on?
It's really not raining over here. I got a couple sprinkles, but it's not like that. It's fucking downpouring over there. That's pretty cool.
What a lovely day. Is that crude diesel?
That one was probably the best one it's given me yet.
Nice.
Yeah. That was pretty cool. That fucking dash is going crazy.
I promise I will not burn your tires off. Just let me try. It's a tradition.
It's gone.
No, it's not. Every time you get a truck, you just gotta let me burn the tire. I mean, do a small burnout.
I'm gonna tell you one thing.
I'm gonna tell you one thing.
If it falls on its face or dies, you don't get another try.
Oh, I know.
One try.
One try.
If it falls on its face, it's done.
Exactly.
Fucking hate you. They were taking pictures. We're gonna take some pictures. I told you.
Yeah, your truck's fucking weird. I don't know. It's just, it doesn't like it.
I don't know why. It makes no fucking sense.
Usually, like mine, you feather it a little bit.
Yeah, that's what I was doing.
And then you let it eat, and then it just stays.
Yeah.
It said
And
no.
if you try to shift gears,
Yeah, it said no.
oh, fuck no.
No, it literally said, kill yourself. Second gear, you mean 0.
Exactly. Like rolling down?
Sure. We're taking pictures of them, taking pictures of us, taking pictures of them.
No, we're taking a video of them now, probably taking a video of us. Oh, they got like an actual fucking
shit.
camera. I think they think that they're more official than us because we just, oh, little high schooler kid taking a picture of his daddy's truck with his iPhone. No, bitch. We make more money than you can even imagine.
$300 a month.
Fuck you.